See, you take a thick strand, lay it down, then put a thin one on top of it, and you do everything exactly like this. Because if you do it a little differently, let me show you how you shouldn't do it, then you'll end up with extra thickness in your piece. It won't look very good visually. Even later, when you start felting the wool, it will end up looking different in the final result. Look, here's what I'm doing. I lay a thin layer over a thick one, and here again I put a thin layer over a thick one, crisscrossing them. But you could also do it like this, and then lay it like this, thick on thick. Then you'll end up with 2 thick ends here and 2 thin ends here. That's not very good if your layout is set up like this. First of all, even the shrinkage will be different depending on whether you do the diagonal layout one way or the other. So when you change hands, change your technique, well, the way you lay things out, your shrinkage changes immediately as well. And again, you'll need to make a new pattern and adjust to how your hands have started working, because as you can see, they'll be working differently now. That's why you need to pay very close attention to all these little details, because it's precisely these things that determine the quality of your items and the quality of your felt. Let's make a magical rain.